How would you like to step into the world of cattle ranching, where vast landscapes meet hard work and rewarding outcomes? But wait, have you considered the risks involved in this booming industry? From unpredictable weather events to liability claims, it's crucial to protect your investment with livestock, cattle, and ranch insurance. In this step-by-step guide, we'll explore the ins and outs of safeguarding your cattle ranch in the United States. So, saddle up and let's get started. You've poured your heart and soul into your cattle ranch, but are you prepared for the unexpected? That's where livestock and cattle ranch insurance comes into play. Whether you're a seasoned rancher or just starting out, finding the right coverage is key to protecting your assets and ensuring peace of mind. Did you know that the United States leads the world in cattle production? With nearly $80 billion in cash receipts, the beef industry thrives across the nation. Take Arkansas, for example, where cattle ranching plays a significant role in the state's economy. It's ranked 12th nationally in beef cows on farms, generating over $426 million. With such impressive numbers, it's clear that insurance is a crucial aspect of running a successful cattle operation. So, what should you consider when it comes to cattle ranch insurance? Let's delve into the main coverage areas to ensure you're well protected. The unpredictability of Mother Nature. Severe weather events like ice storms, windstorms, tornadoes, or even lightning strikes can wreak havoc on your cattle ranch. From collapsed roofs to damaged structures, equipment, and livestock, the financial impact can be devastating. That's why it's essential to choose a policy that covers repairs and replacement costs for your property and ensures the well-being of your cattle. Sometimes, unexpected setbacks can lead to a loss of income. Whether it's property damage or unforeseen circumstances, such as equipment failure, you need to ensure your policy can help bridge the income gaps during such challenging times. Discuss this aspect with your insurance agent to find the coverage that suits your needs. Imagine a fire devastating a crucial structure on your ranch, like a barn. With replacement cost coverage, you can rebuild that barn without deducting depreciation. It's like hitting the reset button on your property, allowing you to restore what you've lost to its current value. Make sure to inquire about which elements of your property qualify for this valuable coverage option. Cattle rustlers and equipment thieves beware. Protecting your valuable assets from theft is essential for any cattle rancher. Ensure that your policy covers not only the equipment and farm personal property but also any potential loss of animals due to theft. By having comprehensive theft coverage, you can safeguard your hard-earned investment. As an employer, it's crucial to consider the well-being of your workers. While workers' compensation is not legally required for agriculture workers in all states, including Arkansas, it's still a smart move to carry employers' liability coverage. Arkansas is one of the 15 states that do not mandate workers' compensation for agriculture workers. However, carrying employers' liability coverage is a prudent choice. This coverage ensures that your employees are protected in case of work-related injuries or accidents. It not only safeguards your workers but also provides you with peace of mind. Accidents happen, and as a cattle rancher, you must be prepared for potential liability claims. General liability insurance is your shield against personal injury and property damage that may occur on your ranch. It also comes to your aid in the face of lawsuits alleging injuries or damage caused by your operations. In certain cases, you might even be held liable for pollution events that occur both on and off your property. So, having liability coverage is not only a wise choice but a necessary one. Let's say one of your cattle accidentally wanders onto the road, causing property damage to an oncoming car. Without liability insurance, you could find yourself facing significant financial burdens. But with the right coverage, you can protect yourself from such unforeseen incidents and their potential consequences. Congratulations! You're now equipped with valuable knowledge on livestock, cattle, and ranch insurance. By ensuring you have the right coverage in place, you can focus on what you do best, running a successful cattle ranch while mitigating risks. Remember, every cattle ranch is unique, and it's essential to work with an experienced insurance agent who understands the intricacies of the industry. They will help you tailor a policy that suits your specific needs, whether it's protecting your structures, equipment, livestock, or providing comprehensive liability coverage. Risk management is a crucial aspect of cattle ranching. You must be prepared for the unexpected and safeguard your ranch against potential liabilities. That's where AgriChoice Registered steps in, a tailored cattle farm insurance policy that combines various coverages into one convenient package. AgriChoice Registered starts with a base policy that protects what most cattle ranches require, including coverage for your farm home, contents, buildings, structures, personal property, machinery, equipment, and general liability protection. But that's not all. AgriChoice Registered offers additional optional coverages to customize your policy according to your specific ranching needs. Let's take a look at a few examples. First, there's cattle insurance for your herd. This coverage protects your animals against various categories of loss, such as motor vehicle accidents, train collisions, or accidental shootings. AgriChoice Registered provides initial coverage up to $500 per head, with the option to increase coverage limits. Next, there's coverage for your hay, a valuable asset for any cattle ranch. AgriChoice Registered provides coverage of up to $100,000 per stack of hay, ensuring that your feed inventory is protected. Additionally, AgriChoice Registered offers liability protection for unwarranted animal cruelty allegations. As a rancher, you understand the importance of proper animal care and welfare. However, false accusations can happen. With this coverage, you'll have the support to defend yourself against such allegations, including reimbursement for attorney fees in case you're found not guilty. And let's not forget about pollution liability coverage. Farming and ranching operations can potentially expose you to pollution-related risks, such as overspray of chemicals, tank damage causing off-premise harm, or transportation-related liabilities. AgriChoice Registered addresses these concerns, including government-ordered cleanup costs, both on and off your premises. Be sure to discuss the specific pollution coverage available in your state with your insurance agent. You've now discovered the comprehensive protection offered by AgriChoice Registered Cattle Ranch Insurance. By combining essential coverages with optional add-ons, this policy ensures that your cattle ranch is shielded from a wide range of risks. So, whether you're raising cattle in Arkansas or any other state across the United States, remember the importance of livestock, cattle, and ranch insurance. It's your key to financial security and peace of mind in the face of unforeseen events. Now that you're equipped with the knowledge to protect your cattle ranch, go forth and thrive in this incredible industry. Take care of your livestock, safeguard your assets, and ensure a prosperous future for your ranch. Happy ranching!